Welcome to 485 Breakwater Drive in Fishers. Nestled within an exclusive gated lake community, this amazing English Manor home with copper gutters and a cedar shake roof will exceed your expectations and provide extraordinary living experiences. They just don't make homes like this anymore. I can't wait to share it with you. Set on a private wooded 1.5-acre lot, this property is a true sanctuary of serenity. As you approach the professionally landscaped grounds, you'll be greeted by lush greenery and beautifully appointed flower gardens, complete with an irrigation system that ensures every inch stays vibrant and lush. From the open floor plan with its high ceilings, exquisite trim work, white oak hardwoods, this home is a testament to impeccable craftsmanship and refined taste. Nothing being built today has this level of quality and details. With a designer kitchen that will delight any culinary enthusiast, a formal den trimmed in solid mahogany, a dining room that exudes elegance. 2 primary bedroom options, and a finished lower level that offers endless entertainment possibilities. Every corner of this home has been thoughtfully designed to create a truly extraordinary living experience. Step into the backyard oasis where a glistening pool awaits, surrounded by desirable travertine that won't burn your feet. Dive into the refreshing waters or unwind in the spa. Entertaining is easy in the covered patio pool area where multiple seating spaces allow you to gather with friends and loved ones. An outdoor kitchen with a suede granite bar, custom cabinetry, and top-of-the-line appliances set the stage for every perfect party. And let's not forget the convenience of a bathroom with a heated tile shower, ensuring year-round comfort for your guests. But the allure doesn't end with the home. Imagine having your very own boat dock on Geist, where endless days of boating and relaxation await. Slip 17 is all yours, ready for your aquatic adventures. Welcome to a life of unparalleled luxury and comfort. Welcome home.